I frequently get asked if the SuperDOM series, the depth column, allows to view updates of the limit orders, meaning the adds and pulls of the order book. And if ultimately they can spot spoofing activity. And yes, it's quite possible. But what is spoofing? Spoofing is an illegal activity and is described as adding artificial orders to the order book and not having any intention whatsoever of getting filled on one of the sides. So this will create a false and artificial representation of liquidity in the market. By doing this, the participant is trying to manipulate the perceived market and affecting the strength of one side of the order book to be filled at a better price. It's been quite difficult to prove the legality because the underlying fact about the intention is about the intention of the participant. So is the participant willing and knowingly wanting to create a misrepresentation of the market to take advantage of it? Or if in fact the participant reanalyzed his decision and took the orders without any spoofing intention. You can search more on this online. Let's see a simplified graphical representation. So we see a normal order book with a bid and ask limit orders. Right? That's where all starts. And then we see a big increase of liquidity on one of the sides of the order book. And in this example, I'm showing spoofing with layering. Layering, just like the name implies, is when you put a lot of orders at different price levels. So the real order in this example is just one, but could be several, and also could be in the form of iceberg orders. So this can be a little bit more sophisticated, but for this example, we'll keep it very, very simple. So that increased and artificial pressure creates the perception that there's a lot of sell-side liquidity, which then forces prices to go down, as no one, by looking at that order book, wants to be or is willing to be a buyer. So you could also see this imbalance by using the order book imbalance feature on that column. Ultimately, when prices are driven down and the order is filled, you will see the sell-side liquidity being removed. So all the sell-side liquidity will be removed by that participant.